Hello and welcome to 30 Minutes Math today. So let's solve this grade 6 text question together. What value of m makes the inequality true, not equality? A quick way to do this is to find the equality. So what makes 3m minus 4 equal to 11? That way we are able to find what makes it less than 11. So we collect like terms, which means that take everything away from the variable, right, one step at a time. So I'm first going to take 4 away. If you move 4 across the equality sign, it becomes positive because it was negative here. Then we have plus 4, which means that 3 of m will equal to 15. If 3 of m equals to 15, what is 1m? That tells us that we can divide 15 by 3. Okay, another way to think about it is to say, oh, m is being bounded with 3 with a multiplication. If I want to break it, I use division. So you divide this side by 3 and you do the same thing to the right hand side, such that m equals to 5. So if this side, right, by having m as 5 equals to 11, but the equation says inequality must be less than 11. What value then would make that less than 11? If you look at your option, the only value that is lesser than 5 is 4. That makes your answer true. If you check it and you say 3, okay, let me get that right. If I say 3 into bracket 4 minus 4 is less than 11, is this true? 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is what? Is 8. Is 8 less than 11? Yes. So this value makes it true. If you try another one and you use 5, 5 is what makes it equal to 11. Definitely 6 will make it greater than 11 and 7 will make it greater than 11. So the only value here that makes this inequality true is 4.